my channel My Messy Palette. This is Shreya and this is my first ever video on YouTube. Today's video is going to be a haul video. So I'll be showing you all the art supplies that I bought recently online. So yeah, if you're interested then keep on watching and let's begin with the video. So this time I bought quite a lot of sketchbooks, basically watercolor journals. So I'll start with the sketchbooks first and then we can move on to the other products. The first sketchbook that I'm having here is from Anupam. It's their Oxford sketchbook, which is 130 GSM and it retails for around 200 or 300. I don't remember the price exactly, so I'll mention it somewhere on the screen. It's suitable for watercolors, like light wash of watercolor is suitable for it, but I would suggest you not to go overboard with water because at the end, of course, it's a 130 GSM paper, so it won't handle the water that much. It is a hardbound sketchbook with an elastic closure, which is really nice. I've used watercolors, gouache and acrylic, all these three mediums in this, and it handles all the three mediums quite nicely. If you're looking for a sketchbook on budget, it is a really nice sketchbook, and for the price that you are paying, they don't compromise with the quality at all. Basically, I got this sketchbook for journaling because I like to add watercolors to my journal, so I thought that something with around 130 GSM would be appropriate for using watercolors. So that's the reason why I bought it, but then I realized that it can be used for watercolors and gouache as well. So then I started to paint more landscapes and other sceneries using gouache and acrylics, and this sketchbook is one of my most favorite, and I love this. This is my second purchase, by the way. So yeah, this is the first product. Let's move on to the next product. The next sketchbook that I'm having here, it's from a brand called Zen Sangam, and I bought it from Amazon. You exclusively get it on Amazon only, so you should definitely check it out. They have one of the most amazing quality watercolor journals out there. I think you should definitely try this out. I got this in a A7 size, and it's a 200 GSM sketchbook, so it's perfect for watercolors. I've used watercolors and acrylics and gouache. It handles all the three mediums very nicely. I would definitely highly recommend you to try this out. The next sketchbook that I'm having, it's from Menora, and I bought this in a set of two, so it was like a combo pack. You get two square sized 10.5 into 10.5 centimeter sized sketchbook in a combo of two. So I don't know where I kept the other one, but yeah, this is the one. It is again a hardbound and has an elastic closure, which is really nice, and it is a 180 GSM sketchbook, so it's perfect for watercolors basically. And if it's good for watercolor, then it will handle gouache and acrylics as well, but I haven't tried gouache and acrylics, so yeah, it handles watercolors pretty well. You should definitely try it out, and I think Menora has one of the most amazing quality watercolor sketchbooks and journals out there. I got mine from Amazon. You can get it from their official website menora.in as well. So the next watercolor journal that I'm having here, it's from a brand called Scholar Store. It is their 100% cotton 200 GSM watercolor journal, specifically meant for watercolors. It is a hardbound journal with an elastic closure, and you get around 34 sheets in it. And they also have other color options as well, but I bought mine in a burgundy color, and I think you should definitely try it out. You can buy it from their official website scholarstore.in or from Amazon. Till now, all the sketchbooks that I showed you were hardbound with elastic closure, but the next one that I'm going to show you, it's a spiral bound watercolor pad. Basically, it's from Brustro. It's their artist's watercolor pad. It is a 300 GSM 25% cotton cold pressed notebook, which is perfect for watercolor paintings. You get 15 sheets in it, and you can use both the sides of the paper, which is really nice. It is a very thick paper, and it is cold pressed, so it has those like groovy textures on it, which is perfect for watercolors. So yeah, I think you should definitely try it out. Brustro has some of the best quality art supplies out there in the market. You can definitely try out their products, and I don't remember its price, so I'll mention it on the screen. All the products that I am showing you in this video, I'll try to link all the products in the description box below, so make sure you check out the description box if you want to get any of these products. Next, I got this set of brushes from a brand called Artists Den. I bought this from Amazon. So you get 7 different sizes of brushes, and these are perfect for watercolors, gouache and acrylics. So you can definitely try it out. It retails for 400 rupees, but from Amazon this was I think this retailed for around 350 or something. I don't remember the price. Also I think since it was in a discount on Amazon, the price might have dropped or even increased, I don't know. So I will link it down, you can check it out. So I was basically searching for good quality synthetic hair brushes when I saw this brand, and I thought that I should try this out. So yeah, this is the brush set. So the next and the last product that we have is again from Brustro. It's their gouache colors. It's the artist gouache colors. You get 24 different shades, and you get 12 ml of product in each tube, which is not a bad deal. It retails for 849 rupees. So yeah, you can definitely check it out. If you want the review of any of the products that I've shown in the video, then you can comment down below. I will try to make a separate video for each of them. So that's it for today's video. You can follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of artworks on Instagram, so you can go and check out my page, and then if you like it, then follow me. So yeah, also don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever a new video comes up. And yeah, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.